how to convert a JPEG to a PDF file. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily convert a JPEG image file to a PDF for free. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So as you can see here, I have an image of a certificate on my computer, and I want to convert this to a PDF so that I can easily send it to someone. To do this, I'm going to be using a free tool that I created called pdfgadget.com. Now, I created pdfgadget.com because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that is free and also does not require you to upload your files to a server. So all the tools on this website work directly within the browser on your computer, phone, anything like that. Nothing gets uploaded to our servers, so it's very private. And check the description, I have a link down there. Once you get to pdfgadget.com, select More PDF Tools, and then select JPEG to PDF. Once here, all we need to do is either drag our PDF image right here, or you can select it, then just find the JPEG that you want to convert to a PDF and select it, and then it will show you a preview down here. Now we have a couple options after we select the image. You can change it from portrait to landscape, and that might make it fit better on the actual PDF page, and then you can choose the fit. If you do original size and the picture is very large, it may zoom in on the image and only show a portion. So for me, fit to page is going to be the best. You can also rotate the image if you need to, or remove it and select a different one. So once you're ready, select Create PDF, then Download PDF. And then as you can see, I can open that up and I now have a PDF file right here of the JPEG image. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.